Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Master Alley. My name is Kerry. Finally, we're going to talk about DeWalt, a very well-known brand in the States and some Europe country. But in Hong Kong here, well, I only start this last 2 years. Well, let's talk about what I think about this brand. The color, of course, I love it. Yellow and black combination is amazing, beautiful. This product is more expensive than the others, and I don't have the battery, so I really seldom to use this brand. This is the top model, DCD996, and this is the second model, DCD796. Because this time we're going to do the test on this one, and we are not going to talk about the top one. So let's put it aside. DCD796, a very sturdy metal chuck, and the torque control, I find it a little bit tough, but it's okay. And then the speed is 1 and 2 speed, a bit tight there as well. And the handle, it's I'll say it's designed for Europe people which have bigger hands. So for me, it's slightly too big. And then this LED light, which is 3 different levels: the brightest, small, and middle. Which is okay. Battery itself, very well designed. It looks very compact and small and looks beautiful. And then this is 3 battery indicator. Let's go into details. DCD796, it weighs 1.6 kilograms, so it's quite light, and 550 to 2000 RPM. For torque, it's 27 to 70 Nm. And the metal chuck can hold up to 13 millimeters drill bit, because it can drill bricks and tile, so it can go for 9,350 to 34,000 IPM, the impact per minute, and can hold 30 millimeters drill bits for metal and wood. It can go up to 38 millimeters. For the price, most important, in Hong Kong it costs 1,480 for the drill itself. So I'll say the price is more pricey compared to other brands we just did our test. We're going straight for our drill driver test, but if you want to know more for the DCD996, please leave a message to us, give us a comment, give us a like, come back and watch our videos. So how to find out test? Like I said, for a big brand, it doesn't really give me a surprise or any disappointed. It's very constant of what it does for both high speed and low speed. Let's talk about the charger. It looks pretty much the same, but one is 0.58, the other is 1A, which is a slow charge. If I get a hold of the fast charger, I'll show it to you again.